You can use the touchpad on Meta Ray-Ban display to navigate and control your experience. The touchpad is located on the right arm of Meta Ray-Ban display where the raised line is. If you're having trouble using the touchpad, try starting your taps or swipes in the middle of the raised line. Here are some examples of what you can do with the touchpad on Meta Ray-Ban display. To wake or sleep Meta Ray-Ban display, double tap the touchpad with 2 fingers. To scroll, swipe with 1 finger to navigate the UI. You can touch and drag on the touchpad to quickly scroll through multiple items at once, such as in photos. To select, tap once with 1 finger. To go back, tap once with 2 fingers. To activate Meta AI, tap and hold with 1 finger. With the display on or off, to adjust volume, swipe forward with 2 fingers to increase volume. Swipe backward with 2 fingers to decrease volume. With the display on, to open or close the switcher, tap and hold with 2 fingers. This is your shortcut to access the switcher from any app. With your device on audio-only mode, when you have an incoming call, you can double tap with 1 finger to accept or end the call. To reject an incoming call, tap and hold with 1 finger. When the display is asleep, you can also use the touchpad to control media playback. Tap with 1 finger to play or pause. Double tap with 1 finger to skip forward or to go to the next track. Triple tap with 1 finger to skip backward or go to the previous track. For more videos and information about using Meta Ray-Ban display and Meta Neural Band, visit the Getting Started Hub by scanning the QR code on the reference guide. You can also visit our Help Center to learn more or contact Meta Store support.